Welcome to my in-depth review of Biotin Hair Growth Conditioner. If you've been struggling with hair loss, thinning, or breakage, and you're considering trying out a biotin-based product, then this review is going to help you make an informed decision. I've spent several weeks using this conditioner daily, and I've documented the entire experience to give you an honest, no BS look at how it performs. The website is simple to navigate, and it prominently features the product, with key selling points like formulated for thinning hair, paraben and sulfate-free, and infused with biotin, keratin, and botanical extracts. Right off the bat, it markets itself as a solution for people dealing with alopecia or hair loss related to stress, diet, or hormonal changes. Once I got the product, I took a good look at the ingredients. It includes biotin, of course, but also argan oil, tea tree oil, castor oil, and rosemary extract, all known to support scalp health and stimulate follicles. What I appreciated was the absence of harsh chemicals, which can often do more harm than good, especially for sensitive scalps. The texture of the conditioner is thick but not greasy, and it has a pleasant, almost herbal scent that lingers slightly after rinsing. Application was straightforward. I left it in for 2 to 3 minutes as instructed, and rinsed thoroughly. Over the first week, my hair felt softer, but I didn't notice significant changes in volume or thickness. By the third week, however, I began to notice fewer strands falling out during brushing and washing, and my scalp didn't feel as dry. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. That said, it's not a miracle product. If you're expecting your bald spots to fill in overnight, you'll be disappointed. Hair growth takes time, and topical treatments like this work best in combination with other efforts, diet, stress management, and even supplements. The conditioner does provide a healthy base for hair to grow though, and it helps maintain the integrity of existing hair. Another thing I noticed was a slight improvement in shine and manageability. My ends felt less brittle, and overall, my hair seemed more resilient. It's not greasy, so even people with fine hair shouldn't have trouble using it regularly. One downside is the price. Compared to generic conditioners, it's a bit on the expensive side. But for a product that's targeted at a specific issue like alopecia or hair thinning, it might be justified. I didn't experience any scalp irritation or itching, which I have with other so-called natural products in the past. If you're considering buying from this site, just know that shipping took about 5 days for me, and the product arrived securely packaged. No leaks, and it looked exactly as advertised. Overall, I'd say Biotin Hair Growth Conditioner is a solid option for those looking to support hair health and possibly stimulate regrowth. It's not revolutionary, but it's reliable, safe, and actually does what it says, to a degree. You'll get the best results if you're consistent and realistic about what this type of product can achieve. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and user-tested experiences.